How to match 4 devices. First, pair A with B and turn B off. Second, pair B with C and turn C off. Note: while turning off the device, please do not press to have red flash for the second time, or the last pairing history will be deleted. Third, turn C and D on and pair them. After finishing above pairing operations, press the on-off button on A and B, respectively, to connect in series before entering the group intercom mode. In the group chat mode, press the on-off button of AD once to exit the group chat, and press once again to rejoin the chat. Press B once to divide the chat into 2 groups, Group A and B and Group C and D. Press B twice to remove A from the group chat. Press C once to remove D from the group chat. Press C twice to divide the chat into 2 groups, Group A and B and Group C and D.